In 1988, Dr. Joe Pagan founded Kentucky Equine Research to bridge the gap between the laboratory and the feed mill. Over 30 years, Dr. Pagan has built Kentucky Equine Research into the global authority on applying equine nutrition science to the feed industry. The company has built relationships with dozens of feed manufacturers around the world. Mill owners rely on Kentucky Equine Research to provide a proprietary micronutrient premix, as well as expertise in formulation, ingredient technology, and technical support. By incorporating this KER premix, partners and horse owners know the feed is correctly fortified for the specific type of horse it was designed for. To address the specific requirements of high-performance horses and those with special nutritional needs, Kentucky Equine Research has also developed its own line of specialty feeds and supplements. Proprietary ingredients and science-based solutions characterize KER products. Top equestrians worldwide know they can rely on KER products to fuel world-class performance.
Knowing that everything is backed by research is a huge deal. You know, there's so many products that you can go and choose from at the feed store, but to know that they're actually doing the science behind it and really it's been studied carefully, I think that gives us a lot of confidence in what we're putting into our horses.
For over 30 years, Kentucky Equine Research has been at the forefront of many feeding trends that are now considered mainstream. Examples include Relieve, the first low-starch feed for horses with muscle problems, or the creation of electrolytes specifically formulated to help racehorses given Lasix bounce back and win again.
When it comes to nutrition, that's when the science is really important. Race recovery is very important in the Bob Baffert barn. We use it after they work and after they race. I think it gets the electrolytes back in their system as quick as possible, and that is so important.
Studies are conducted year-round at their research facilities in Kentucky and Florida.
The Kentucky Equine Research Performance Center is a new facility for KER located in Ocala, Florida. We've been interested in all types of performance horses for all 30 years. Recently though, we've become more focused on thoroughbred racehorses. We think that's a real growth industry. There's some interesting things we can do nutritionally. And as we got into that, we discovered that to study racehorses, you need racehorses. Most of the research that we've done in the past with exercise has been on high-speed treadmills, which really gives you fairly intense exercise, but you can't mimic racing. There's only one way that you can mimic racing, and that's with a racetrack, so it puts us in a whole different realm in terms of being able to measure horses under racing conditions.
Also a leader in technology, custom software programs developed by Kentucky Equine Research track and compare the growth rates of young stock, as well as evaluate and recommend appropriate feeding programs for individual horses, based on specific criteria. The company's content-rich websites and mobile applications also bring the latest science to horse owners around the world in modern ways.
That's truly what KER is about, and that is testing our products, doing research, and then applying that research in the real world.
Kentucky Equine Research, world leaders in equine nutrition.